It's a trial that's been catching local and national attention. The Dale Warner trial continued today. After a pause yesterday, Dee disappeared from her Lenawee County home in April of 2021. Police found her body welded inside a fertilizer tank more than 5 years later, and her husband, Dale Warner, is charged with killing her. Melissa Andrews has been following the trial in Lenawee County and joins us live now with some breaking news. Melissa, tell us what you've learned about the jury.
Well, within just the last 5 minutes, a jury has been seated from start to finish today. It took less than 2 hours. We have 5 women and 11 men. Now, the process, as I said, moved very quickly. At one point, the media were told to get out of the courtroom to make space for these 90-some potential jurors to come in and go through the rest of this voir dire process. We did that, but then we realized at some point that this questioning had begun. I did raise the issue with the court administrator that we believe that this was a violation of our First Amendment rights to be removed from the courtroom during this public process. We were then given another courtroom where we could watch by video, but I'll be honest with you, as nice as that was for the court to do, it was a bit clunky, so we did miss out on some of the people that were excused for cause. I can report to you, we did notice that 8 people were stricken, 5 by the defense, 3 by the prosecution. I do believe the prosecution struck a man because he was a welder, but the attorneys do not have to give a reason why they are striking people. They're called peremptory challenges, and each attorney had 18 of them. That leads me back to a motion that was decided earlier today by the judge as court first started. There was a motion by the defense to change the venue on Friday. The judge said he was going to take some time to think about that. This morning he came back and said it has been difficult to find jurors, but not impossible. And he did mention that the defense and prosecution each got those increased peremptory challenges, 18 each. But as I told you, only 5 were used by the defense, 8 were used by the prosecution, so far fewer than they had to use. I'll bring you more information coming from the courtroom. Honestly, I don't even know what's going to happen at 1:30 when we get back in session, whether we're continuing work with these jurors or we're going to go back to those motions, but I'll have more for you coming up tonight at 5 and 6. Reporting live in Adrian, Melissa Andrews, WTOL 11.
All right, Melissa, thank you for that update. You can track all of the developments in this case right now on WTOL 11+. 11 Investigate sat down with Dee's family and broke down the entire investigation in our special presentation, Hidden in Plain Sight, the disappearance and discovery of Dee Warner. Download WTOL 11+ on your TV and watch for free.